I'm sure that some rain could help with our firefighting efforts for our crews in the west.
Yeah, we'd like to get some soaking rains across the area. This time of year, sometimes you get the line of thunderstorms, and that's unfortunately what we're looking at as we head into tomorrow. Now, there are a few showers out there, and we have had some at least earlier this evening. And some of the areas that do need rain hasn't amounted to a whole lot, but you can see some of the skies there over North Wilkesboro, gray, and at times a few drops of rain there dropping over parts of Wilkes County. Less than 1/10 of an inch though, but at least we're getting some rain, and we do have some opportunities for wet weather. Unfortunately, that comes with a severe storm risk on Monday, cooler air on Tuesday, and then if you've been waiting for a real big warm up, boy, do we have it for you this week. Highs expected to be in the 80s by the end of the week. Right now we've got 50s in the mountains. We're close to 70 degrees in Greensboro, 69 in Burlington, 71 in Reedsville. Dew points have come way up. Remember, we talked a lot this winter and now transitioning into spring about how dry the air is. We're actually getting some moisture in the air, and with that, an opportunity for a little bit of light rain. So you see the measurable rain there in Mount Airy as well as North Wilkesboro. Even a few showers that are out there right now. We're not going to see a whole lot of wet weather overnight, and the threat for severe thunderstorms, thankfully, stays to our northwest in the overnight hours. So we may see a patchy light rain shower here or there, but the real significant severe weather is lined up from Memphis to Nashville. And yes, they are looking at tornado watches there. So as we move into Ohio later on tonight, Kentucky and Tennessee, and then tomorrow across the southeast, as far south as Georgia, Alabama, but also including the Carolinas. So that's why we do have a weather impact day for you tomorrow. Timing right now looks to be late afternoon and evening, mainly from 2 to 8 in the Triad, a little bit earlier if you're in the west, and of course over toward Raleigh will be a little bit later in the day. Our main concern is damaging wind gusts with any thunderstorms that do develop, but because we do have some shear in the atmosphere, we may get some rotating thunderstorms that could produce isolated tornadoes. So we're going to watch that for sure. Make sure you've got your plan in place. You've got your weather alerts coming to you directly, and you know what to do. Remember, the lowest floor away from windows is always the safest. We do have actually a pretty unusually high risk for severe weather. We're in that threat level 3 out of 5, so enhanced risk across central and eastern North Carolina. It's going to be difficult to pinpoint exactly where this line sets up. Our first line comes in and then kind of collapses as it moves into the mountains tomorrow morning. So we do have at least a small rain chance in the morning. By lunchtime into the afternoon, mountains, foothills, Piedmont Triad. If you've gotten more clouds and less sunshine, maybe a little more unstable, and we'll likely see some of those thunderstorms develop across our area and then kind of push east through the region, and then should be east of us by tomorrow evening, and then that will allow for some cooler air to come in behind it. Remember, that risk is in the enhanced zone. It includes Mount Airy, Wilkesboro, all the way over to Burlington, and that is for damaging wind gusts that are expected with any thunderstorms that do develop. An elevated risk of tornadoes, but even the possibility of some large hail in our forecast. So we do think it's afternoon into the evening for the Piedmont Triad. That severe thunderstorm threat maybe a little bit sooner, early evening, kind of tapering off and moving through in the foothills with highs in the 70s. In the mountains, it may develop by around lunchtime and continue at least into early afternoon. We've got highs that are in the low to mid 60s. We'll of course continue to keep you up to date online and here on WXII 12. So I encourage you to touch base with us again tonight, and again tomorrow morning. There's your 7-day forecast with some warmth by the end of the week.